Okay, Olivia. Sing your song.
It's red,
Are you singing in the rain? No?
Singing in the rain, singing cheese. Singing.
Singing in the rain. Sing in the rain for me.
Singing in the rain, singing in the rain. Cheese. Singing away, singing away, singing away, singing away.
Can you sing Old MacDonald?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a. What's this? What's the big sound? What's this?
Part of the umbrella.
E-I-E-I-O. Camel, camel, Old MacDonald. It's raining outside.
It's raining outside? Oh no.
What's this?
Good thing we're inside.
You go under here.
Okay.
Raining.
Thank you.
Let me hold it.
Okay. Can you sing your ABCs?
A double T.
You know your ABCs.
A B C D E F C L P Q R S T U V W X Y.
Good job. You missed a couple, but that's okay.
Wait. Wow.
Hey. Okay, we're gonna be done now. Say bye-bye.
Goodbye.